Ready? We about to get right to it, dude.
I thought we were still doing a sound check.
Dude, we ain't doing no sound check. We filming.
I'm syncing the sound.
I just synced it. All right, look. This is what I'm gonna do.
You want the box and you.
So I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna be like, oh, what's up, guys? We got another bike to unbox. This one's by Ingwe. Whatever. You can stay still on all this part because that shot needs to be the same shot. Cause I'm gonna go like this, and it needs to be okay. What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David Brand New, and I'm back with another video for you. And today we got another e-bike to review. This one's by a company called Ingwe. We reviewed a couple of their bikes. This one's gonna be the Ingwe engine. What is it? Engine. This one's gonna be the God damn. This one's gonna be the Ingwe Engine 2.0. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed. As you guys can see, we have some fat tires. This is going to be a 20 by 4-inch fat tire bike. I believe it's going to be a folding bike as well. Let's go ahead and get this bike completely out, but check out the packaging. Looks nicely wrapped. Hopefully we don't have any scratches on this bike. All right, guys, so here's the bike. We got all the foam off of the bike, and then over here we have the front tire and the rear rack. I'm actually not gonna put this on. You guys know I'm not a fan of rear racks. We're gonna see how the bike looks straight up, just BMX, you know, bare bones. Why does this look crooked? When I sell this bike, I'm stealing these. This bike's got a 750 watt motor, but it peaks at over 1200 watts. So today we're gonna do a top speed run and see how fast this bike is. All right, guys, the first test is gonna be throttle only. We got it in pedal assist 5. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, throttle only. How fast are we going? We got a lot of acceleration. We're already at 20 miles per hour. Looks like we're locked at 20 miles per hour, dude. The throttle isn't doing anything more than 20. All right, let's mix in some pedaling now. Let's see if we can pick up speed. Oh yeah, now we're flying. Here we go, 23, 25. Hopefully don't get a ticket. It seems to be cutting out at 27, 27.5. This bike definitely has a speed limiter on there, guys. If you know how to bypass that, please leave a comment down below. So now that we know that the bike is decently fast, let's go ahead and test it up a hill now. See what type of power we're getting out of this thing. First one's gonna be throttle only. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. So we know it takes off pretty quick, and we know we are gonna only top out at 20 miles per hour on throttle. But how does she do up a hill? Let's see. 19, 20. This bike's got a 52 volt battery and a 750 watt motor, man. That's pretty good if you ask me. 14 miles per hour, 13, we're slowing down, 12, 11. Dang, I thought it would do way better. It's doing, you know, the same as any other bike. Woo, don't get killed. Oh my God. I just realized that this bike actually has a torque sensor, dude. I thought this bike had a cadence sensor, so like, you know, with cadence sensors, all you gotta do is rotate the pedals and the motor kicks in. If you do that with this bike, you're not gonna get any power. But if you actually apply some pressure, that's when it picks up speed. That's definitely a nice touch by Ingwe. You know what else is a nice touch? These BMX bars and this turtleneck stem. Oh my God. As you guys can see, I switched the handlebars to BMX and this bike looks freaking perfect now. Check out the new bars. You already know I had to switch to BMX. I was tired of looking at that ugly giraffe neck stem. These days, I can't get caught riding a bike with freaking a giraffe neck stem. Like, you got me messed up, dude. Like, that's crazy how much stability you get with BMX, dude. Like, come on now. I bet you can't do this on your bike. Guys, if you're interested in getting the turtleneck stem and BMX bars, I will leave a link to it in the description down below. It's on davidbrandnew.com. I wish this bike was faster on the throttle, man. It only stops at 20, but when you pedal, you can definitely go faster. Now I'm going 26. This is ridiculous, dude. God dang. It's such a beautiful day. I'm looking for something fun to do. Hey, Ingwe, I think I want to marry you. You're such a beautiful bike. I'm looking for something fun to do. Hey, Mary, I think I want to marry you. Hey. Nope. It's 2024. It's time to throw away those ugly giraffe neck stems. Check out the freaking bike, guys. So as you guys know, I didn't put on the fenders, I didn't put on the rear rack, I kept it bare bones. And with these BMX bars, guys, this thing looks like an actual BMX bike. So check it out, this bike comes with hydraulic brakes, which is a plus. It also has a thumb throttle on the left hand side. The bike also has dual suspension. So the rear suspension is right here underneath the frame. And then the front suspension is pretty nice. It allows you to lock it out right here. I mentioned earlier that this bike comes with nice 20 by 4 inch fat tires, and it has mag wheels, not spokes, a nice 750 watt motor, and a 52 volt battery, guys. This bike is actually pretty dope. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. It's called the Ingwe Engine Pro 2.0. That's gonna do it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, deuces like that.